Hey guys, Damian Candetti here. Today I've got a bit of an unusual one for you. I got access to the old Coca-Cola bottling facility in South Australia. As you can see here, it has Coca-Cola Amatil. All those windows you can see on the bottom there, we will see from inside in just a little bit. Heading into the truck entrance, there's all these bases for silos. I am guessing that these would have been silos that held some form of acid ready for the drinks. Hence the deep pit here they've got, so that if there's any leaks or ruptures, they've got a complete catchway for any spills. As you can see, there were quite a lot of them on here. I'm not quite sure what these little notches were for the bottom, whether they were the taps coming off of the bottom of the silos. I'm not quite sure there. If anyone knows, please put it in the comments. This pit's pretty big. They obviously allowed for every single silo to leak and be caught in there without pouring into the car park and onto the street. I saw these signs here, but I don't know if they're relevant to the silos that were there. This is a full structure. You can see the roof's already been taken off. They're currently renovating this place. Sorry for the horizontal video, but this is a cool little section where they had the Coca-Cola logo going through the hallway. Heading in here, this is the windows we could see from the main road. This next room here is a cool room. As you can see here, there's a control panel. I'll freeze it just for a second so you can have a quick look. Heading upstairs now, it's hard to see on the left and right. There are actually Coke bubbles painted all over this hallway. It is really cool, but unfortunately I wasn't expecting to do this video and I didn't bring any torch, any lights, so a lot of this is dark. These were just some offices upstairs. Then heading through, cool little door here on the left, which is made to look like a vending machine. Some real 60s lino going on. Probably quite a nice office for the place. Top corner, again looking out onto the main road. This is just looking back downstairs from where we are. We'll come back through this canteen afterwards. Heading to the right, we get to this hallway. As you can see, there's all these handprints. Obviously, someone's dipped their hand in paint and put it on the wall and initialed it. I don't know the relevance of this, whether it was people that worked at the facility or what. If you have any backstory on these hands, please put it in the comments below. I'd love to know what it's about. This here just says the Crown Loft. I'm not quite sure what that is or what it refers to, but it's just a loft that seems to go straight from one side to the buildings on the other side. I'll freeze frame it here so you can have a quick look. I didn't actually go down there because there were people working on the other side and I didn't want to interrupt. Heading across here, again, sorry about how dark this is. I didn't have any torches. You can just vaguely make out a massive, massive meeting desk in the middle. That desk would have easily held 20 people around it. And then heading back here, it looks like a bit of a lab. Heading back, we head into another room. This is huge and very dark. I would assume this was just some partition style offices in here or something like that. We went up to this door here, but it had an RFID scanner and wouldn't let us through. So we just passed through. This is coming back through into the canteen. Those windows are the ones that are upstairs that you can see from the main road. Heading into the canteen, everything seems to be pretty stripped out. Most things are gone, but this would have been where they cooked and served everything for the employees. Heading out the back here, you can see most of the things are missing. The oven's still there, but just about everything else has been ripped out. Just to the left of the canteen, there's this other office here. So just on the way out, I thought I'd just have a look around the back. Part of this facility is still being used by Coca-Cola and other parts have been re-rented out to other people. On the right here, it looks like they've just turned it into a massive car park. I'm not sure if anyone knows what that was before. It was potentially part of the bottling facility or maybe where they kept all the bottles prior to being bottled. And that big red door there, I believe, still has a bottling facility behind it. In front of us there, that cool Coca-Cola looking building is actually just a men's women's toilets. I presume those toilets are just for the truckies because there's a sign just next to those toilets that says stop all trucks must sign in here. Anyway, heading back through, here's that big car park again, and we'll just have one more glance in to the right. You can see this isn't the bottling facility. You can see some freight storage.
Thanks for watching. Bye.